final stop. This is London Waterloo. Change here for London Underground services. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Please remember to take all your personal belongings when you leave the train. Thank you for travelling with South Western Railway. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for travelling with South Western Railways today. Next station is London Waterloo, where this train terminates. Just like to remind customers to collect all your personal belongings before you leave the train, and if you do see anything suspicious, to contact any member of the staff. Also like to remind customers to collect all your litter and plastic bins provided. Next station is London Waterloo, where this train terminates. All change, please. All change.
Where are you going?